Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ben. We help you understand real, everyday English, slowly and clearly.
Today, you will listen to a simple English conversation about the weekend.
First, just listen. You do not need to understand every word. Listen for the main idea.
Try to notice three things. What did Ben do on Saturday? Who did Emily visit on Sunday? And what are we planning for next weekend?
After the conversation, we will ask you 5 easy questions and check the answers together.
If you miss something, that is okay. Listening takes practice. You can always listen again.
Ready? Take a breath.
Let's start.
Hi, Emily. How was your weekend?
Hi, Ben. My weekend was nice, thanks. How was your weekend?
It was good. I had a quiet weekend.
That sounds nice. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I went for a walk. The weather was nice, so I walked in the park.
Nice. What did you do after that?
In the afternoon, I watched a movie at home. It was a funny movie. I liked it a lot.
A movie at home sounds fun. And what about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed home. I was tired, and I needed to rest.
Oh, you were tired, so you stayed home and relaxed.
Yes, I relaxed all day. In the evening, I cooked dinner and listened to music. It was a very quiet day.
That sounds relaxing.
It really was. And how about you, Emily? What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday afternoon, I went to a cafe.
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
I drank some coffee and I read my book. It was quiet and relaxing.
Nice. And what about your Sunday?
On Sunday, I visited my family.
Oh, that is nice. Did you eat together?
Yes, we did. We had lunch together. My mom cooked, and the food was really good.
That sounds really nice. So Sunday was a little busy.
A little busy, yes, but happy. I was so happy to see my family.
That is great. So, Emily, what about next weekend? Do you have a plan?
Next weekend, maybe we can go to a cafe together.
Yes, I love that idea. We can drink coffee and just talk.
Perfect. Next weekend, we can go to a cafe and relax.
It's a plan. I like it.
Me too. Okay, everyone, that was the conversation. Now let's check what you understood.
We will ask 5 short questions. You can answer out loud or you can answer in your head.
Take your time.
Question 1. What 2 things did Ben do on Saturday?
Question 2. Why did Ben stay home on Sunday?
Question 3. What did Emily do on Saturday afternoon?
Question 4. Who did Emily visit on Sunday?
Question 5. What are Emily and Ben planning for next weekend?
All done? Great. Now let's check the answers together.
Let's start with number 1. The question was, what 2 things did Ben do on Saturday? I did 2 things. In the morning, I went for a walk in the park. In the afternoon, I watched a funny movie at home. So the full answer is, Ben went for a walk and watched a movie.
And if you remembered only one thing, that is still good listening. Walk and movie are the 2 important words. Number 2 was, why did Ben stay home on Sunday? Ben stayed home because he was tired. Stayed home means he did not go out. He was at home. And tired means his body needed rest.
Exactly. I was tired, so I stayed home and relaxed. Relaxed means I had a calm and easy day. Number 3 was about Emily's Saturday afternoon. Emily, what did you do?
On Saturday afternoon, I went to a cafe. I drank some coffee and I read my book. So the answer is Emily went to a cafe.
Coffee and a book. That sounds relaxing. And this is a useful sentence for your own weekend. I went to a cafe. You can change the place. I went to a park. I went to a restaurant. I went to a friend's house.
Good. Number 4 was, who did Emily visit on Sunday? I visited my family. Visited means I went to see them. We had lunch together and my mom cooked for us.
So the answer is Emily visited her family. A family lunch on Sunday sounds really nice.
And number 5 was about next weekend. What are we planning for next weekend?
We are planning to go to a cafe together. We can drink coffee and talk. So the answer is, they are planning to go to a cafe.
If you said cafe, you got it. Great job.
One useful phrase from today is this: that sounds nice.
You can use that when someone tells you good news or a simple plan.
For example, your friend says, I went to the park.
You can say this: that sounds nice.
Your friend says, I had lunch with my family.
You can say, that sounds nice.
It is simple, friendly, and natural.
Now let's listen one more time. This is the short version. This time, try to hear the main ideas again.
My weekend was quiet. On Saturday, I went for a walk in the park. Then I watched a funny movie at home. On Sunday, I stayed home because I was tired. I cooked dinner and listened to music.
My weekend was nice. On Saturday afternoon, I went to a cafe. I drank coffee and read my book. On Sunday, I visited my family. We had lunch together. And next weekend, Ben and I are planning to go to a cafe together.
Did you understand more that time? I think you did.
You did really well today. You listened to a simple English conversation, answered 5 questions, and practiced talking about the weekend.
And remember, the more you listen, the easier it gets. You can play this lesson again tomorrow and listen one more time.
Now, we would love to hear from you. How was your weekend? Write one simple sentence in the comments.
It can be very short. I stayed home. I watched a movie. I visited my family. Simple is perfect.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
We're your daily duo.
And your English-speaking buddies. See you next time. Bye.